Open Termux and type the following command to install Termux API, tpkg install Termux API. First, we need to install Termux and Termux API on your Android device. Follow these steps. Install Termux API. Once installed, open Termux and type the following command to install Termux API. Creating a script for easy scanning. For convenience, let's create a script to automate the scanning process. 𝗞𝘇.𝘁𝘂𝗁𝗁 cd scan Wi-Fi nano Wi-Fi-scaninfo. Add the following content to the script. For the code, please check the description of this video. Save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y and enter. Make the script executable. Type ls-qmod+x Wi-Fi output with JQ2. Make the output more readable. We can use JQ to parse the JSON data. Install JQ by typing pkg install JQ. Type clear ls. Run the script. Bash wi-fi.sh Wi-Fi scan results, API_error. Go to your device's settings, permissions, enable location permissions, and enable Wi-Fi permissions. Now run the script. Type bash wi-fi.h. Congratulations! You've learned how to scan and parse Wi-Fi networks using Termux. To make the output more readable, we can use JQ to parse the JSON data. Run the scan command and parse the output. termux-wifi-scaninfo-𝗿𝗶. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly and only on networks you own or have permission to scan. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. This tutorial is intended for educational purposes only. Scanning and hacking Wi-Fi networks without authorization is illegal and unethical. Only use this knowledge on your own network or networks where you have explicit permission to perform such actions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any misuse of the information provided.